You guys asked me for this video. Like, I was not gonna make this video. I was not gonna use this hair dye. I was gonna be using what I normally use to dye my hair. But for those who requested, I decided to just rebuy and retest out the Simply Color hair dye. If you guys have been watching me since my very beginnings, my humble beginnings, this was actually one of my first YouTube videos on my channel. I actually made it a whole entire year ago. I did get the Simply Color sent to me, so I reviewed it for you guys on YouTube. A lot of you guys watched that video, and it wasn't like one of my best videos, honestly. Like, I was still very new to YouTube and like I looked a mess, but I've been wanting to bring back a lot more hair videos. I've been getting really into my hair and the hair health, so I have a lot of tips and tricks. But like I said, I purchased it to test out again. You guys asked me what are my thoughts a year later, so I am going to be re-dyeing my hair with the Simply Color 0% of ammonia, silicone, and alcohol. This actually didn't wash out too quickly when I dyed it last year. It lasted maybe 2 months until I had to re-dye, but when I re-dyed, I didn't use this. I used like my Wella Charm. For those of you who are not familiar with Wella Charm, this is the normal hair dye that I use, and I just dye my hair black. There's no special things that I do to it. It's literally just jet black, and that's how I like my hair. One, and then I do mix it with number 10 developer, volume 10. I used to do volume 20, but my hairstylist told me that 10 would make it more rich of a black, so that's why I do volume 10. Let me know in the comments if you have any like tips that you could recommend to me if you guys are into hair, or maybe you dye your hair often, you're a hairstylist, whatever. I am not a professional by any means when it comes to dyeing hair and like anything hair related, to be honest. You guys also wanted to see my thoughts on the Garnier Nutrice. This is a conditioner that is meant for dyeing your hair. They have all types of hair shades. I do have black hair, so I did pick up this one. And a lot of you guys wanted my thoughts and opinions on the hair mask. I'm not going to be using this today. I'm going to be using it in another like updated touch-up video, but I did grab it because it was recommended. Also picked up a brand new hair dye set. I always like to like re-up on my hair dyeing products just to have on deck, but I got this like whole little kit that they sell at Sally's for like $5. I got it for $1.25. Girl, the dollar store. Go to your local Mexican mart or Mexican dollar store. Not only are you supporting a local business, but everything is so affordable. I literally buy like 10 zotes. I buy like 5 of these, everything. I get everything from that dollar store. So it does come with a bowl, and then it comes with the 3 hair dyeing brushes. I do use these. I don't really care too much if they're fancy or high-end because they're gonna get dirty anyway with the dye, and plus like my hair dye is black, so I just try to get things that aren't gonna stain or like show, because the black does stain and it does make a mess if you are not careful. I already have my claw clips that I am going to be using when I section off my hair. I just try to stick to black everything because like I said, this is a black hair dye and it will dye and stain your clothes, your tools, everything, your counter. Let's get right into this or else I will talk forever. So I do have some Vaseline. I am going to be lining my edges with Vaseline because, girl, I don't want to be stained. I'm going to be filming in a little bit too, so I don't want to have hair dye all over. Okay, so I already sectioned like the bottom of my hair. I'm just putting Vaseline on my ears too because, bitch, I do not want to get black all over my ears. So this already comes pre-filled. That's what I did like about this like little kit, because it does come with the pre-filled tube with your developer already. All you have to do is squeeze in the color. This is the color tube. This is good enough for one hair application. Right now, my hair isn't at its longest it's ever been. At that point, I would need to buy 2 of these to cover my entire head. But right now, since my hair is not too short, not long, it's very like in between the medium length, this is enough. But like I said, if you have longer hair, you will need 2 of the packages that come with the developer already separated for you, and then it would just come with the tube of color. This also comes with a nourishing conditioner, and I do remember this smelling so fucking good when I used it the first time. I can't wait to smell it again. Yup, This smells so good. I don't know what it is about it, but I remember this lasted me about 3 months. I used it once every like week when I would wash my hair, and it lasted a while. This, I don't know if it's supposed to keep the color in, but on the box description it does say that it has a nourishing oat milk formula and soy protein in the dye. So I don't know if this also has that infused, but other than that, this was a bomb conditioner, and I was actually impressed when it came in the kit, because normally when you buy like hair dye kits, I don't know, my expectations aren't high. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead, take off the cap for the developer. Me smelling it, and that's probably so bad for you, don't smell it. Again, the shade that I got is number 1 Jet Black. I love Jet Black. Okay, once your developer and your color is in the bottle, you can just go ahead and shake. You just go ahead and shake it, and it creates the dye for you basically. I'm not sure which number this developer is. It doesn't actually say it on this package, but like I said, I do number 10 or volume 10, so this might be volume 20. I'm not sure. Okay, you guys, I just finished doing my full head, so this is the color. It's a lot darker, as you can tell, thank God, because my black was really faded. It was to the point where like you were starting to see my natural like lighter brown come through. So I do love how this obviously is developing very quick. This only takes 30 minutes to fully develop, so I'm gonna be right back. And also, thank God I put Vaseline, right? Because I kind of did mess up some spots, but remember, put Vaseline all over your face. I didn't put any on my nails because I did use the gloves, and when I wash my hair, I am going to be washing my hair with the gloves. I'm not trying to get my nails messed up. Okay, you guys, I just washed and conditioned my hair. I'm going to be telling you all of the products I'm using, but right now, I have my hair in a hair towel. These are microfiber towels that dry your hair, and they really do absorb all the water. Go ahead and blow dry my hair with my blow dryer brush. Okay, this is the hair. What do we think? I think it looks fire. Juicy, rich, black dye is literally what I live for. Period. That is all for today's little hair. Didn't get any staining. That is all I have for today's video. I love you guys so much. I hope that this was helpful in any way. Let me know your questions. I will answer them down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.